I think I should make an uncrouch button, not just toggling it. So, uncrouch. We should execute this one. Oh, yeah. If if is not crouching, okay. Also got this one. S- Speed. What if I also comment this one? Because that's unneeded, I guess. Also here, if where is it? Oh, there it is. So if action just press crouching is on floor, this is where we input the is crouching. So if is crouching, we should increment call the crouch. Else should call the incrouch uncrouch. And then this is where we call the is the toggling of is crouch assigned to the negation of is crouching. So if we run crouch, okay. So if I run again 5.2, so if I crouch, we should be crouch at the speed of 2.3, which is the crouching speed. And then if I uncrouch, we would be automatically at the walking speed, which is 5.5. And then walking at the speed of 5.5. Where do we get that? Walking at the speed, it says. Walking at, oh, it's in the running. Hmm. Oh, maybe, maybe let's create another else if, alif. Okay, else if, walking speed, no, yeah, if it's walking speed, it should, you know, hmm, if it's running, as if it's walking speed, or else if speed is in the walking speed, oh, there is, then we should already be running, Oh, copy this one, and then this should be the else, perhaps. But for now, let's put it in a block, just to be, just testing the code. It's all about the experiment. Running, crouching the speed of walking. Oh, and then we are already running. Crouching, not crouching, which is we are already walking, and then we are running. Okay, we fixed it. So we fixed this one. Redundant inputs, fixed. No, because I've already fixed it in this part. So, yep. Now, just to be in case if it works, I mean if it gets handy, or you know, crouching. Let's delete that one. I think this seems to be redundant if it's crouching. But I think that is good for insurance, for consistency. But I'm going to leave it just like this for crouching and is crouching. Just to ensure they are crouching or they are not crouched. Hehe. You see? This again. Running. We are at crouching speed. Ah, I forgot. Crouching. This one. I forgot about this one. We are increasing. That should not be. But I guess I did fix the redundant inputs. So let's go back to my here. This is fixed. This is now to be fixed. How many passed? How many minutes has passed? I think for now this is all about the input again. So if crouching, so if we are running, so if running, oh, there is. So if we are not crouching, then we should only run. Just to ensure. Okay, and then on the run, if it's running, okay, else if. Okay, again. Else if um is crouching. The speed should only be at the crouching speed unless we are uncrouched. So I guess this would be a redundant input once again. We are crouching at 2.2 speed. We are uncrouched at the walking speed 5.5. Now, now we can't run. Yeah. Um, perhaps let's get rid of this one first, or just delete it. Let's try the running. Running, okay. At the 12.5, which is the running speed. Crouching at the 2.3, which is the crouching speed. Now we can't run when we are crouched. That's correct. And crouch at the walking speed, which is 5.5. Running again at the running speed, 12.5. Immediately crouching at the crouching 2.3. Okay. Okay, that's it. I did fix. So let me see. So if we press run, it should execute the run function. So if we are running, if we want to run, then our running speed should be at the running speed, which is the 12.5 from the variable here. It's constant. As if we are already at the walking speed, and when we uncrouch rather, that would mean we press the run. It should check it would check the existing value, which is supposedly this one. Then we should take an increase, which is already the running speed. As if we are crouching, then it should always be in the crouching speed, which would prevent us the increasing speed when we are crouching. We should only be crouched at the crouching speed. So I guess that's good. So I want to run it again because it's so beautiful. We are crouching at the 2.3, which is the crouching speed. We are uncrouched at the walking speed, which is about 5.5. We are running at the running speed 12.5. And then again we are crouching at the 2.3, uncrouched at the walking speed, running. And if we crouch at the 2.3 crouching speed, and if we press run, whoa, we still can run. Hey, I thought I fixed you already. Oh, there it is. So in this part, at my 2.3, oh, I have to fix that again. Hmm, that should not. Ah. Okay, the next thing would do perhaps is to perhaps. The next thing we would do is to perhaps disable the run, but I don't know how yet. Sheesh. But I guess that's for now. I guess that's it for now, rather. Not very nice.